Well, the internet is on fire with Nancy Tyagi's latest Cannes red carpet appearance, not because of the outfit's brilliance, but because of a boiling hot controversy questioning her ethics and professionalism, and why not? Well, giving you background about Nancy, she is a self-made influencer who's earned national and international attention for her DIY fashion. She doesn't have a fashion degree, no design team, no showroom. She doesn't even use models. She sources fabrics from local markets like Selampur in Delhi, cuts them and stitches them herself, styles them, does the finishing, the fittings, the accessorizing, even the shoot, and she is the model as well. Everything is handled by Nancy. Her craftsmanship, especially her tailoring and finishing, is impeccable, no doubt, and that is what got her to Cannes last year in 2024.
मतलब बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, मेरा ड्रीम भी नहीं था इतना बड़ा, तो जिधर मैं अभी खड़ी हूँ.
And that's what brought her back this year again. She's talented, no doubt. She's hardworking, absolutely. But this latest controversy, it's very problematic. It turns out Nancy's much celebrated dress that even I made a reel about, and it's very spectacular. But that may not be her creation after all. Allegedly, the exact same outfit was spotted earlier this year, back in February, on singer Neha Bhasin at a concert, and that's when things really spiraled. Neha Bhasin's photo on her story went viral immediately, and Mumbai-based store named The Source stepped in, claiming that the outfit was theirs. They said they designed and created the dress a while ago, and yes, they sold it, and they are not demanding credits from Nancy. They sold it for a whopping 25,000 to Nancy, but they are calling out Nancy for claiming it as her own design, which completely makes sense and brings us straight into the ethics of fashion. Well, Nancy clearly in her red carpet interviews and her Instagram post described the process and efforts that went into the look, leading many of us to believe that it was yet another creation straight from her own hands.
कितना वक्त लगा इसे बनाने में?
से 1 महीने के करीब, 25 दिन से ऊपर थोड़ा.
But now people are questioning the truth. The Mumbai store that created this outfit has backed up their claim with proof and with pictures that are necessary to prove this. They're not asking for fame or drama, but what they are highlighting is a serious ethical issue here, passing off someone else's creation as your own. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. In her podcast with Ranveer Alabhadia last year, Nancy admitted that she recreates designer looks and takes inspiration from others. She even said she wants to evolve into making more original designs.
मतलब अभी मुझे रिक्रिएटिंग में नहीं घुसना, कॉपी नहीं करनी, खुद के डिजाइन लाने हैं.
And that's great. Every designer starts somewhere. And after making it clear in this podcast, it's fair to ask this question. Evolution even begun, Nancy? Or is she still walking a dangerously thin line between inspiration and plagiarism? Well, we can't forget that she's not trained in fashion, which means she hasn't studied design ethics or copyright laws. She probably doesn't even know how big a risk this is for her. Because in the fashion world, passing off a design as your own is no small mistake. Well, this is exactly what I mentioned in one of my reels before. Nancy needs a mentor, someone who can really help her channel her talent the right way, someone who can guide her through the do's and don'ts of the industry, because talent without training can only get you so far. The real world no doubt demands professionalism. At the end of the day, accountability as well. So Nancy, this is your moment. You've built an empire with your hard work, but now it's time to build credibility too. Whether you made that dress or bought it, the silence isn't helping at all. Come forward, own it, clarify it, or apologize it, show the proof, clear the air, and move on stronger. But dodging the truth is never a good look, no matter how stunning the dress may be. The way she spoke so confidently in her language at Cannes 2024 red carpet really wins so many hearts, including mine. It's her innocence, confidence, talent, everything that people really respected, and I'm sure Nancy doesn't want to lose it. I will be really interested in know what you think, so please comment below, and I would love to know, what do you think? Is it an honest mistake, or is it time we demand more transparency from our favorite creators? Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more fashion commentary, raw, real, and unfiltered. And also follow me on my Instagram page, Fashion is Pink. The link is in the description for more such content and tips and tricks on styling and fashion.